Couplets. Brown bread.
Brown bread.
The rack is full of brown bread.
Blue umbrella.
Blue umbrella.
There are many blue umbrellas alongside the pool.
Black cow.
Black cow. Black cow. The black cow enjoys the sunbath.
Green frog.
Green frog. Green frog.
A green frog sits in the water.
Brown bread.
Brown bread.
Blue umbrella.
Blue umbrella.
Black cow.
Black cow.
Green frog.
Green frog.
Ran. Say. Who.
Ran.
Say.
Who. 4. 1.
See.
Actions.
Stand.
Stand. Stand.
The little girl stands beneath a colorful umbrella.
Crawl.
Crawl. Crawl. How far can you crawl?
Sit.
Sit. Sit.
Are you sitting now?
Play.
Play. Play.
Playing with friends is really joyful.
Stand.
Stand.
Crawl.
Crawl.
Sit.
Sit.
Play.
Play. Farm. Farm. Fan. Fan. Fist. Fist.
Words start with F.
Fog. Fun. Fish.
Foot. 4. Fruit.
Choose the picture that goes with the great job. Brown bread.
Choose the picture that goes with the word. Awesome! Stand.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
You did it! Crawl. Choose the word that goes with the picture.
Fantastic!
Sit.
Choose the word that goes with the picture. You did it! Blue umbrella.
Choose the word that goes with the picture.
Awesome! Play. Can you point to
Who?
Let's try that again. Awesome! Which one is?
One. Try. That is right. Hooray! You finished the lesson. Congratulations! You've earned a sticker. Play lessons to earn more stickers.